I have researched and compiled tutorials for 3 levels of Minecraft flooding machines. These range from simple 1-block flooders to full-fledged planes with a pilot seat attached. You can use these on Donut SMP or any other servers you want. Share the video with a friend and go flooding together. Schematics for all of these machines can be found on my Patreon. So without further ado, this is the simplest flooding machine that can be built on any Minecraft server. Even so, it can flood a large area pretty fast and is perfect if you don't have access to many resources, because these are all the materials you need to build it. And here's how to do that step by step. Start by pillaring up to the height you want to flood at. I recommend as high as possible for maximum destruction. Build 2 observers facing down with a block between them in the direction you want the machine to go. Break that block and place a slime block and sticky piston on top of that observer. On the other one, place 2 slime blocks, then add a sticky piston in the middle. Place a stair on top of it facing towards this slime block. On the side, place 2 solid blocks and an upside down stair, then go to the other side and mirror that design here. Then on either side, place a second upside down stair above the first one. Waterlog these 4 stairs and the stair in the middle on top. To start the machine, go down using the water and place a button on this observer, then it will begin flooding. If you want to also be able to AFK in the machine, place another slime block in front and walls on either side. Add a boat on top and move it so it is positioned between the 2 walls. And now when you start the machine, quickly go into the boat and enjoy flooding. This simple Minecraft flying machine can flood a large area on any server, and here is how to build it step by step and the materials you need for it. Start by pillaring up above Y 260 so you don't run into a mountain while flooding. Finish your pillar with a stair. Behind the stair, place 2 slime blocks and 3 sticky pistons around the lower slime block. On the back of each piston, place 2 temporary blocks. Use them to place 3 observers directly behind the pistons with their faces going in the opposite direction. Here, place a rail with a minecart on it, then break the rail and add an open fence gate down here and a slab up top. Now go back to this side and place 4 slime blocks like this. Here, add an observer, sticky piston, and sea lantern together. Place 2 more sea lanterns in these exact spots. From here, begin building the wings. You place 3 slime blocks, 3 slime blocks, 3 slime blocks, 2 slime blocks, and a sea lantern. Repeat the exact design on the other side to make symmetrical wings. Place water on the stair and on every block of the wings, including the sea lanterns at the tips. Begin flooding by sitting in the minecart and closing that fence gate, then jump into Donut SMP. This simple Minecraft machine can flood a large area on any server, and here's how to build it step by step. Start by pillaring up all the way to the build limit. You will see a red message when you've reached it. Once you're there, break 4 blocks and place a glowstone. Choose the direction you want the machine to go and place 3 solid blocks on that opposite side. Place an observer facing down on either side to get this layout. Place 5 slime blocks above the observers and glowstone, then add 3 solid blocks next to them. Place 4 more solid blocks in this direction, last one being 1 layer higher. Break these 2 blocks and replace them with sticky pistons. Place 2 observers, 1 on each side, then make sure to break exactly these 3 blocks. Then add 3 more slime blocks in this pattern. Turn around and place 2 sticky pistons like this. Then stand here to place 2 more sticky pistons. Go on top of them and break these 3 blocks. Build a row of slime blocks 7 blocks out like this. You now need to place a slime block underneath the last one. Place 2 observers facing down against that slime block. Place a temporary block so you can add 2 sticky pistons here. And if you want to make the machine even longer, repeat that design 1 or more times. For the last arm, begin by adding 12 slime blocks this time. Go back to the main machine and break this block. Then add a slab above where it was. Place a water bucket on the slab and on this slime block. Now stand on this corner and add 2 wall blocks. To start the machine, simply break this block and save the video. Comment which machine was your favorite.